Magandang gabi po. Ang bike ni yung green Oy. Nasa Robinson Place, Pangasinan na ako Pahinga na naman din yun ang bike ni yung green. Shout out Warvin Janit Pauson. Kuya James Vlog, shout out. Romulo Manawis Garcia Jr., shout out. Master Rafael, Master Kambingan, shout out. Angel Sweet, shout out. Ang bike ni Neon Green ay. Kuya Sir Jinjing Gonzalez, shout out. James Gonzalez, shout out. Mark Joseph Liktawa, shout out. Tamayo Road, Hasmin, shout out. Jong Oson, shout out. Boy Bote, shout out. Prince Bautista, shout out. Boss Eric, shout out. Mang Frederick Ramirez Diaz, shout out. Marta Maricar Bocao, shout out. Julius Tandok, Jumil Tandok, shout out. Mary Jane Garcia, shout out. Cosly, shout out. Uniworld, shout out. Joan de Guzman, Ronald Bautista, Uniworld sa mga gwardiya ng Cosly at Uniworld, shout out ninyo Zomba Girl Sarasiao, shout out. Ang bike ni Neon Green. See you na.